to paint the Nova, and I'm going to be doing the jambs, so I'll give you a little tour. I made the spray room once again. There's my spray gun with a 1.4 that I'll be using. I put all paper on the floor, just as I did the first time. Plastic on the back, and of course the original paper is still there. There's my one fan in the window. It's a dual fan, and then I'm going to have a fan in the vent down here. This is a filter fan that'll be pushing air or sucking air from the brush to outside. And I masked the entire car. Here's the firewall. And the bottom half is masked with plastic and then paper on top of it. It's already been sanded down nice and smooth. Inside the cowl has been masked. Well, that was the original masking. I put some seam seal, which is urethane seam seal, in certain areas. I'm going to be doing the jamb, the door jamb, and the window. Also going to be doing the rocker panel along with the jambs, and then below the rocker panel. And so the dashboard's been masked, the floor's been masked just a little bit, and the entire car has been masked. The whole car, because I'm only going to be painting the jamb right now. Part of the trunk was masked, as you can see. And here's the back. And then, of course, quarter panel on the rest of the car and the roof. And there's the other jamb that I'll be painting, the hinge area. I also put in the detents so that I can paint them with body color, just as I said I would in earlier videos. And here's the other rocker. So I'm going to be using a full face respirator for protection. So I had to buy this one, and it's made by 3M. And that's the respirator. And pretty much set to put on sealer. I'm going to be putting on red oxide sealer, and then after that flashes a little bit, I'm going to apply my base coat 2 to 3. Basically I'm going to get coverage and then +1 and do two coats of clear, and that includes the rock on the bottom. In the car, I raised it up so I can get to the rockers, and you can see I raised it up quite a bit. So I have 2 jack stands and a jack as an emergency in the center, and then all the way in the front of the car there's another jack, and it's the car is sitting on top of a 4x4, and then the jack is on the 4x4 so I don't scratch up the frame, and I could put a nice even load. So I'm going to also be doing the side view mirrors, so they're hanging and masked and ready to go. So there it is. I'm going to be doing Nova. Next time you see this, I'll show it in the sealer. Okay, here we are in sealer, red oxide sealer. I did the mirrors. It came out sweet. There's the firewall. The cowl has been done. And all the jambs. And then of course the rockers all the way to the bottom. It came out sweet. No runs. Sprayed it nice and thin so that I won't get any runs. With the hinges there. That locking mechanism thing. Done. All the jams. Came out sweet. Very, very happy. So next goes the base coat. I just had a few minutes to clean my gun. So it's fully cleaned out while I let this thing flash off. And there's the detent, nicely painted. And I'm going to get ready to spray the base coat. And finally we get to see some color on the Nova. And here's the mirror. Nice, love it. And there's the other one. So next time you see this car, it should be in base coat. Okay, base coat has been applied. Those are the side view mirrors. They came out gorgeous. There's a firewall. Let me get some light. And this is just base coat. See how smooth that laid out? Laid out really smooth. Door jams. The hinges, package tray area. Came out really sweet. So, and the rockers. Let's see if we can get a picture of the rockers. Here's the rockers. Hinge area with the detent came out pretty sweet. Finally see what the color looks like, and it is awesome. So now I'm gonna do the clear coat. I'm gonna do 2 coats of clear. And this base coat has already dried. It's been about 45 minutes to an hour already. I really like the way it came out. So, next time, it'll be in clear. Okay, applied the clear coat. I did 3 coats of clear on the firewall and the cowl area, and then all the rest 2 coats of clear. And it just looks so nice. And I was able to do it without any runs. Let's go to the back. Now this package tray thing, we put 3 coats of clear because the sunlight will hit it. And then of course the jams, 2 coats of clear. The shine is amazing. And then here's the other door jamb. rockers in here also. And here's the other side. On the firewall, now I get to see how straight it is, and you can see the reflection from, there's like a black thing right here, and you can see the reflection on the panel. And I have to say, that came out really straight for me being an amateur. Never done body work before, and I love the way that came out. You see myself in the reflection, you see the camera. It just looks gorgeous. You can see the reflection of the stuff behind me. And then here's the mirrors. 3 coats of clear on the mirrors because they're on the outside. Really sweet. I love the way this color looks in different lighting. So there you have it. The Nova has been finally painted with the Velocity Red Mica. All the jam are done. Now I can start putting the engine back in, transmission, and one step closer to completion.